friends, I'm Gurbani Kaur from class 4A, studying in Indian school. Once an old couple living in a village was feeling lonely since their grandchildren didn't manage to meet them that winter due to their studies. The old lady was missing both of the children very badly. Her husband, the old man, was very creative, so he thought of making wooden nesting dolls. He asked how many dolls you will prefer. She replied, only two. After a long struggle, finally, he made two beautiful nesting dolls. Old lady named them as Nina and Anna. Nina was the small doll. Old lady fell in love with the nesting dolls and started keeping them as their children. Even the dolls started feeling their love in their wooden hearts. Meanwhile, one fine day, a news came that their grandchildren are going to visit them. This news made both the dolls sad. They thought that now they will be thrown. But when the children came, the old lady gave the dolls to the children. Anna was given to the younger child while Nina was presented to the older child. Both of the children felt extremely loved to own the dolls. Finally, the dolls were also feeling very happy meeting the full family. The two beautiful dolls became the reason for happiness for kids and for old couple. Moral of the story is we should find the way for happiness. Thank you.